In this video, we're going to go over upper and lower body dressing with the dressing stick.
Now we'll go over the parts of our dressing stick. The stick itself is a wooden dowel rod with 2 hooks on either side. These hooks will be used to put on and take off articles of clothing. First, we'll take our pants and we'll lower them down to the floor. If this is uncomfortable, you can use the curved hook on the dressing stick, loop it into a pocket, and then lower your pants down to the floor. With the pants on the floor, you'll take the curved hook of the dressing stick, loop inside the waistband or inside the pocket, and guide your surgery foot or your painful foot into the leg of the pants until you can pull them up safely with your hands. We'll repeat this process on the other side. If you need additional assistance of the hook, you can, and then just guide your strong leg into the pants that way. Once your pants are comfortable at about mid-thigh, make sure we're standing safely, and we'll pull our pants up the rest of the way. When removing our pants, we're going to pull them down as far as we can about mid-thigh, and then have a seat. We'll use our dressing stick with our curved hook and push our pants down the rest of the way until we are able to slip our injured leg out of the pants leg. And we'll repeat this process on our strong side. To remove your socks using the dressing stick, you'll want to use one of the larger hooks on this side. You're going to slide it in, down around your ankle, around your heel, and pop your sock off. There are several ways to put on a jacket with your dressing stick, so we'll go over a few different methods. The first being sliding your affected arm into the sleeve first, and using the dressing stick to poke the jacket around the back of you so you can grab hold of it on the other side. We'll then use some of the larger hooks to find our sleeve and slip our arm down and around and secure it on your shoulder. The next method will be just slipping your wrist inside the sleeve and leaving the jacket low hanging. We'll use the large hook to find our other sleeve and pull the jacket up and around our head to find our sleeve on the other side. If you're having trouble with getting your zippers up, we'll want to set it and start it, and then we'll use the small hook on this side to find the hole of our zipper and pull up.
To remove your jacket using the dressing stick, you'll want to hold the stick in your surgery arm. You'll use one of the larger hooks on this side to pull the sleeve down and around the shoulder. Free up your elbow so you can use your good arm to pull off the affected sleeve.